Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you a traveller's notebook that I've made. This is using Tsunami Rose's new kit called French Classifieds, and I will link that below. You can get this in a normal journal size and also a traveller's notebook size. I've chosen to work with the traveller's notebook size first. It is a beautiful kit. So it's a soft cover, and I used this designer cardstock with a fleur-de-lis on it, and I thought that was appropriate because at least they're French. And we have eyelets and organza ribbon as a closure. This is one of the images from the kit, and I've sewn that onto some paper, cheesecloth, and there's actually some fabric underneath, some cotton calico. I've made a fabric ruffle, some cheesecloth, and then some of this pearl trim here. We have some bead dangles, and let's go inside. There is also fabric tabs and crocheted trim. So I've done some stenciling, just making sure I'm in frame. Done some stenciling. Here's a lovely images from the kit. I haven't covered any of them over. They're just so pretty. They really are like eye candy. Here is a pocket, the tag, and I used one of the sheets from the kit to create this pocket, and then one of the journaling cards over the top to make a double pocket. This is actually one of the pages, and what I done was instead of printing like one page on one sheet, I done two and kind of shrunk it down a little bit. I think that's how I've done it. Just to make some tags, so you can use your pages for many other things and not just pages. There's some of this delicate trim on here. There is a doily. Have used some more of Tsunami Rose's ephemera, which I always use in my journals. Some ledge paper here, which is from Artie Mays, and it's a freebie. We have some more ephemera, and that's just been coffee stained on the back. The crocheted trim, some stenciling. I love the blues in this. The blues and the pinks are just so soft and kind of shabby looking. So I made some pockets here, and I used the same technique that Gina Wiseman had used yesterday making tags, which was just rather than doing a tag, it was just some cardstock, inked it up, stamped on it. I used some music paper that was all kind of wrinkled up. This image is from the kit, and I've just got some snippet bits down here. And another one of the tags, well actually it's not a tag, it's a page, but it's shrunk down, and it's been sewn onto some doubled over coffee dyed paper. This is from the kit, and we have a tag, a stamped tag that I made. There is a flip out page, some squared paper and a fabric tab. This envelope is from the kit, and there's nothing inside it, but it's really pretty. Love them hot air balloons, so pretty. That goes on there. There is some stuff that was tucked in there which has now fell out. That's a journaling card from the kit. This was one of the pages, like a full page, and I just printed it out and made some tags. Again, it's been sewn. And the journaling card. Another page from the kit. One of the ephemera pieces I used to make a pocket, and I've just put some crocheted trim and some bling trim there. This is from the kit. We have a stamp tag that I made. Little journaling piece here. Oops, ran the wrong way. From the kit. It's got the Eiffel Tower on there. And this was left over from making them big long tags, so I just made a little journaling card there. This is from the kit as well, just use that as a stopper, and that just pops in there. This was one of the pages, but I shrunk it down just a little bit so that I could cut the page up and make a pocket. So here we have, this is the same image that's on the front cover. not very good at stretching around and putting these in. This is from the kit as well. Could make that into a little bookmark. We've got some trim here, some of this braided trim there, a doily. This wasn't from the kit, but it is from Tsunami Rose, and that's just paper clipped on there, as is this. Some more fabric tabs. Here I just, this was the other side of the page that I cut up to make that pocket, and the other pocket is back here somewhere, so let me find where I was. So I just made like a side tuck there, and this is all from the kit. And this is a little envelope. There's nothing in the envelope, but you could put something in there. This will be listed in my shop if anyone's interested. There's lots of journaling space. There's little bits of fabric there. The bead dangles, which has got some fabric wrapped around it. I'm a messy crafter. There we go. So the bead dangles. One of the journaling cards that I made into a pocket, and then I just done a little snippet there with a little pearl centre. Journaling card from the kit and a tag. Some more ephemera here, and that flips out. And on the other side there is another piece of ephemera from Tsunami Rose, which is this one. And I just put that on there. Another one of these like journaling cards that I've used as a pocket, again with the what do you call that, music paper, and a little bit of a snippet going on down here. Another tag that I made using one of the pages, and a stamped tag. Another little side tuck there with a large tag, and another little envelope. Here I just made, it's also a pocket, but it's a little booklet, so you can do some journaling inside there. So there's all that to play around with, and that just closes and you tie it in a bow. Like so, and like I said, there's a little pocket behind there. Some more ephemera, and this is another flip out, and another piece of ephemera from Tsunami Rose. Just pops on there, a doily, and this was the top half of the page that I cut down to make the other pocket back here. And I've just put some lace trim. This was just a little fabric ruffle that I had from something else that I made, and I just popped it on there with some cheesecloth and some pearl string and some tags, and a postcard from the kit, and a handmade tag which was stamped. So that's the journal. It's got quite a lot going on. Like I said, this is from Tsunami Rose, and it's called French Classified, so check that out if you haven't already. It's a beautiful kit, and like I said, this is for sale in my shop. There is 10% discount. Seems to be working for some people and not others, but every time I've tried it, it's worked. It's gave me the discount. Obviously I haven't gone through and bought my own product, but it's worked for me, so I don't know why it's working for some and not others. If there's anything in my shop that you want to buy and the code is not working, send me a message and I can just invoice you for it, take it out of the shop and invoice you for it. I've done that with a few items because people seem to be having an issue with the code and others don't. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's a computer glitch or what, but it is quite annoying when you think it should just be a little simple thing. and it's not working, so there's always a solution. So if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.